All right, today we are learning a strategy called all about or one time. One of the first things a writer needs to consider is what is the structure of their writing going to look like. Once you have a topic in mind, you can think about how this is going to look on paper. This paper is going to help me decide whether or not I should choose to write all about or a one-time piece. So again, we're beginning with a topic, and my topic is going to be swimming. We're gonna explore this side first, the all about part. Now that I know I'm gonna write all about swimming, I need to list a couple of facts. Fact one, you need to wear a bathing suit. My second fact could be one stroke is called a butterfly stroke. My third fact, a famous swimmer is Michael Phelps. This side of my paper is the nonfiction portion, so I can choose one of these facts to write more about. I might choose the first fact. You need to wear a bathing suit, and maybe I list places where you can buy bathing suits or different types. If I choose to write about my second fact, maybe it's a how-to. I can teach somebody how to do a butterfly stroke, which I hear is pretty difficult. Or my third, I can go do research on Michael Phelps and tell you more about him and his swimming career. This side could also be considered nonfiction if you're doing a narrative piece. So one time I went swimming. I want to think back to one of those instances and give more details and give a beginning, middle, and end to that story. I'm using a couple of sequence words here, first, then, finally. So if I wanted to talk about one time I went swimming, I might say, first I walked up to the diving board and looked below. Then I noticed my mom watching from the other side of the pool. Finally, I gathered up my courage and jumped off the board. This strategy is great for when you have a lot of information about one thing and you want to continue writing pieces on it. Maybe you have a lot of nonfiction facts on it, or you have a lot of personal stories that you want to share with someone. Use something like this to help you decide whether or not you want to do a nonfiction writing how-to like procedural text, or if you'd like to tell me a personal narrative story. Bye guys!